Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 15th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in Apple technology, software, and devices. From groundbreaking robotics to regulatory shifts, we've got a lot to cover. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple is venturing into robotics with a new tabletop home device featuring an iPad-like display and a robotic arm. This innovation, led by a former Apple Car project executive, aims to redefine home technology interaction. The device, which can tilt and rotate its screen, is set to compete with products like Amazon's Echo Show 10. With a team of hundreds working on it, Apple is pushing the boundaries of AI and robotics. In a significant regulatory response, Apple is opening its NFC technology to third-party developers. This move, driven by European Commission pressures, allows for diverse applications like mobile payments and digital keys. Initially available in select countries with iOS 18.1, this change aims to foster competition while developers must enter agreements and pay fees to access these APIs. Apple has open-sourced its Homomorphic encryption library under the Apache 2.0 license. Implemented in Swift, this library enables computations on encrypted data, enhancing privacy without exposing sensitive information. This move aligns with the growing emphasis on privacy-enhancing technologies, offering a robust tool for secure data processing. Tubi, a free streaming service, has surged in popularity, surpassing competitors like Apple TV Plus in viewing time. Its ad-supported model and extensive library of older content have resonated with viewers, positioning Tubi as a formidable player in the streaming landscape. Apple's tabletop robotic home device, potentially launching in 2026, is designed as a smart home command center. With a large display on a robotic arm, it integrates with Siri and Apple Intelligence for seamless user interaction. This project, prioritized by Apple, reflects its commitment to advancing robotics. Apple's services revenue is under scrutiny amid legal challenges and regulatory pressures. The company's relationship with Google and new EU policies have sparked debate over its financial strategies. Critics argue that Apple's practices prioritize profits over fair competition, impacting the app ecosystem. A developer has exposed a vulnerability in Apple's new AI system, Apple Intelligence, through a prompt injection attack. This incident highlights ongoing security challenges in AI systems, despite Apple's efforts to mitigate such vulnerabilities. Apple's flagship store openings in India face competition from the thriving used iPhone market. Despite Apple's retail efforts, the demand for second-hand iPhones is growing, driven by affordability and trade policies limiting refurbished imports. Foodie, an AI-powered meal logging app, simplifies dietary tracking with photo-based logging and nutritional insights. Its user-friendly interface and compatibility with various diets make it a valuable tool for improving eating habits. Golpo, an app for true crime enthusiasts, offers personalized podcast creation on demand. Users can generate suspenseful audio dramas tailored to their interests, providing fresh content and transforming everyday routines into thrilling experiences. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and engaging. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more on the latest in Apple technology and innovation. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.